Welcome to the Bubba and Brady Show. I'm Bubba.
Brady.
And he's Brady. Yeah, we're just two awesome guys ready to party this weekend. No school. Yeah.
No, it's not my party today.
Oh, it's not that kind of party.
I got been 10 for my birthday.
Yeah, you gotta be careful saying party, because now he thinks that, every day is his birthday. It's crazy.
Uncle been 10 and Bubba for my birthday. I get balloon.
Can I go to your birthday party?
Yeah. You can get my Thomas. You can get my Thomas balloon.
Thomas balloon?
Yeah.
You like Thomas the choo-choo train?
No, the balloon. But I gotta get my plastic for Star Wars toy. Skywalker and choose Skywalker. Choose Skywalker. Choose Darth Vader.
If you haven't noticed yet, he really likes Star Wars. We have to watch an episode at least once every day. He's trying to make the Chewbacca noise.
Chewbacca.
It's about as good as I could get. I have a friend across the street. He could really make a Chewbacca roar. It's pretty impressive. And I have to actually show that one episode. Get him over here. But why are you sad, Brady? Okay. Anyway, yeah.
What's that, my toe? What's that, my toe?
No, I do not want to smell your toe.
That's it. You can spare it. It's good. You can't tell my toe.
Shut up. But, yeah.
You're my art boy.
What do you want to do about it?
You're my art boy.
You want to take this outside?
What?
I'm going to get my light saber and get you.
What?
I'm going to get my blue lightsaber and get you.
Oh, I'm over Darth Vader.
I will be Luke Skywalker and hide your booty.
Wait. Go store.
I know, we gotta go to the store today.
Wait. Gotta cross your Austin to Skywalker.
Okay, Brady.
You got cross it.
Anyway, I'm thinking about getting a new hairstyle. What are y'all feeling?
That got a cross and get your stuff there.
I mean, there's not much you can do with this short of hair. Maybe get some cornrows, I don't know. Anyway, ooh, that was a big yawn. You ready to go night-night?
Yeah, it's not dark.
It's not dark yet, so we can't go night-night. It's too bad. I wish you was night-night all the time. Don't you wish you could go night-night all the time, Brady? What are we doing? What are we doing? I don't want to do this anymore.